Let's start with some key concepts. What is an AWS Glue Crawler? An AWS Glue Crawler is a program that connects to a data store, extracts metadata, and creates table definitions in the AWS Glue Data Catalog. An AWS Glue Data Catalog is the persistent metadata store in AWS Glue. It contains table definitions, job definitions, and other control information to manage your AWS Glue environment. Actual data is not stored in the data catalog. When a crawler runs, it uses a classifier. A classifier reads the data, determines the format, and generates a schema. AWS Glue provides a set of built-in classifiers for common file types, such as CSV, JSON, Parquet, Avro, XML, and others. You can also create custom classifiers. Now, let's look at how a crawler works. First, a crawler progresses through a prioritized list of classifiers. If a custom classifier is defined, the first custom classifier that successfully recognizes the structure of your data is used to create a schema. If there is no custom classifier, built-in classifiers are used. The crawler then connects to the data store. A crawler can crawl multiple data stores in a single run. For example, a crawler can crawl data stores such as Amazon Simple Storage Service or Amazon S3, Amazon DynamoDB, and Delta Lake natively. For Java Database Connectivity, or JDBC, MongoDB, and Amazon DocumentDB, with MongoDB compatibility data stores, a crawler must use an AWS Glue connection to connect to the data store. You can run the crawler either on demand or on a schedule. Upon completion, the crawler then creates or updates one or more tables with table definitions in your data catalog. The tables are written to a database, which is a container of tables in the data catalog. After table definitions are added to the data catalog, they are available for extract, transform, and load, or ETL jobs. The table definitions are also readily available for querying in Amazon Athena, Amazon EMR, and Amazon Redshift Spectrum. A crawler can run more than once. For example, here is the output of a crawler after running the first time. If your crawler runs again, perhaps on a schedule, it looks for new or changed files or tables in your data store. The output of the crawler includes new tables and partitions found since the previous run.